everyone! Christmas is just a week away and we are sure preparations are in order. How about adding a touch of STEM with the automatic chocolate dispenser? Stay with us and you'll know what we mean. Let's get started. To make the chocolate dispenser, we'll need a vive, a metal gear servo motor, an ultrasonic sensor, some jumper cables, some 3D printed parts, a printout of Santa. Let's begin with the making. First, take a metal servo and connect it to a vive servo channel 1. Then, from the menu, select Controls. Then, navigate to Servos, then select Servo 1. Now, set the angle to 0 degrees using potentiometer 1. Next, mount the servo motor on the base plate using M3 bolts such that the servo head faces outwards. Then, place the slider inside the slot and fix the gear onto the servo head. Now that the main component of the dispensing mechanism is ready, let's cut the corrugated sheets to make the box. First, we'll make the top and bottom of the box. Take a white corrugated sheet and cut two squares of 17 cm cross 17 cm. Next, let's make the side walls. Take the red corrugated sheet of 60 cm by 15 cm. Now, mark 3 lines 15 cm apart along the 60 cm side to make the 4 sides of the box. Cut only through the first layer of the sheet on the markings so that we can bend and make the side walls. Now, let's make the box for catching the chocolates. Take a piece of white corrugated sheet of size 10 cm by 18 cm. Now mark 2 lines leaving 5 cm from both the edges. Cut along these lines but only through the first layer of the sheet. With this, we have a pair of two opposite sides and the bottom of the box. Next, take two rectangles of size 5 cm by 8 cm from the red corrugated sheet to make the remaining side walls. Once done, glue all the sides. Now comes the globe, that is the container for holding the chocolates. Take a white corrugated sheet of 10 cm by 24 cm. Next, mark 3 lines at 4 cm, 12 cm and 16 cm along the longer side and cut them only through the first layer. Fold along the lines and glue them together. Next, cut a rectangle of 8 cm by 2 cm on the opposite side of the globe for dispensing chocolates. Make a cutout for a small rectangle of size 2 cm by 2 cm from one side of the globe for the slider. Next, glue the chocolate support plate at the bottom end. Now, cut out a rectangle of 8 cm by 2 cm from the bottom left corner of the front side wall, leaving 1 cm from the left side for dispensing the chocolates. Since Christmas is coming, let's make the dispenser more Christmassy. Take a printout of Santa. Next, glue the cutout to the front side. Now comes the ultrasonic sensor, the central component of our automatic chocolate dispenser. Punch 2 holes where there are Santa's eye for the ultrasonic sensor. Next, take the base plate and draw a square of 15 cm by 15 cm on it. Now, take the side walls and glue them to the base plate on the markings. Now, let's attach the globe. Match the slots on the globe and the side walls and carefully glue the box for catching the chocolates to the base plate using hot glue. Next, place the dispensary mechanism behind the globe and make sure that the slider fits into the slot on the globe. Then, attach the ultrasonic sensor on the front wall behind Santa's face. Now, glue the box for catching the chocolates in the front to the base plate using hot glue. Finally, take a white corrugated sheet for making the top of the box. Draw a line 3 cm from one of the edges and cut along it only through the first layer. Now, take the top of the box for catching the chocolates and stick it to the top of the box. With this, the assembly is done. It's time to make the connections. First, connect the metal servo to servo channel 1 on Evive. Now, let's connect the ultrasonic sensor. Connect the VCC pin of the sensor to Evive's 5V pin. Connect the trigger pin of the sensor to Evive's digital pin 2. Connect the eco pin of the sensor to Evive's digital pin 3. Connect the ground pin of the sensor to Evive's ground pin. Now that the connections are done, place Evive in the box on the right side. Once ready, fill the globe with your favorite treats. Now let's write the code for the dispenser in Pictoblocks. Switch to the upload mode as we'll be uploading our code to Evive. The program will start executing when Evive starts up. It will continuously monitor the readings from the ultrasonic sensor whose trigger and eco pins are connected to digital pin 2 and 3 respectively. If the distance is less than 10 cm, we'll set the servo connected to channel 1 to 180 degrees so that the slider moves outwards, causing the chocolates to fall. Otherwise, the servo will remain in the default position, that is at 0 degrees. Upload the code to Evive using Upload Code button. With this, our chocolate dispenser is ready. Hey guys! I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. If you have anything that you'd like us to make next, let us know in the comment section below. And for more such exciting DIY projects, subscribe to STEMpedia and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Bye bye!